Thank you. Today, accused killer Luigi Mangione was back in court in New York City.
Morgan Norwood has you covered on what happened during his first appearance since being arraigned on murder charges in the deadly shooting of the UnitedHealthcare CEO.
Luigi Mangione, the 26-year-old charged with the murder of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson, back inside a New York City courtroom today for the first time since pleading not guilty in Manhattan State Supreme Court.
Not guilty.
In Manhattan State Supreme Court, the prosecution and defense updating the judge on where their case stands, with the judge overseeing the exchange of evidence but declining to set a trial date. In court, Mangione's lawyer told the judge there were very serious issues with how police in Pennsylvania obtained evidence from Mangione and asking for more time to prepare. The judge set an April 9th deadline for all defense motions with a response from prosecutors due by May 14th, which includes a request from Mangione's defense team to exclude some of that evidence that Altoona police gathered from Mangione after his arrest.
And we are concerned that Luigi's constitutional rights were violated in Pennsylvania, and there are serious search and seizure issues.
Mangione has garnered a massive wave of popularity since that December shooting. This week, issuing his first statement through a website created by his defense team, saying the support has transcended political, racial, and even class divisions. And donations continue to pour into his defense fund, which has now raised more than $500,000, raising questions now about jury nullification.
The more people are giving support of Luigi Mangione, the more they can probably expect to see those people within the jury box, and that's how they're hoping to receive these information and hopefully get a favorable verdict.
In December, Mangione was arrested some 300 miles from the Manhattan murder scene, spotted at a McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania. He was then extradited to New York City and led on this heavily guarded perp walk. Mangione also facing federal terrorism charges, which carry a possible sentence of the death penalty.
What it tells us is they're clearly prosecuting this in a very aggressive manner. They are looking at every possible charge at a state and federal level, and they're levying them against him. So they're prosecuting this very quickly and very aggressively.
And Mangione is due in federal court next month on those terrorism charges. Morgan Norwood, ABC News, New York.